I can't let you represent.
I know, but she has Alzheimer's. I should have told you that last
You gotta get a lawyer.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
Stephanie Murphy, 2503298LT.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Michael Burns, P87855 on behalf of plaintiff.
All right, Ms. Murphy, good morning. Your name? Ms. Murphy, come on up here and tell me your name, please.
Well, my name is Beth Murphy. I'm a daughter.
Your name?
Stephanie Murphy. Come on.
I know, I remember. I got it. You can't.
Come over here. I apologize. We were here last week.
I know.
apologize.
I just can't let you represent us. Ms. Murphy, tell me your name, please.
Stephanie Ann Murphy.
All right, what do you think is owed on this one? State your appearance, Mr. Burns.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Michael Burns, P87855 on behalf of plaintiff. We're showing rent to retain of $2,593, costs in the total of $191.11 for a total due and owing of $2,784.11.
Do you agree that you owe that amount, Ms. Murphy? I can't let you represent.
I know, but she has Alzheimer's. I should have told you that last
You gotta get a lawyer. You gotta get a lawyer. I just can't, I cannot let you do that.
All right.
Was another payment made that makes this less than $27.84? No? I'm asking you.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so she agrees that she owes that amount, right?
Well, we haven't been living there. She hasn't been living there since like late May, early June because of bed bugs. We were forced out of. She was forced out of there because of bed bugs. Can't stay there. I was paying. I handle her. I handle her bank account.
Did you turn over the key?
Yeah. I spent the entire summer cleaning out that place, throwing everything out for her.
All right, let's slow down. Let's slow down. All right. Department manager, your name.
Ginger Pelk.
Did they move out?
I have not received any keys from them.
They're on the counter. Okay.
Well,
Wait a minute. Did you guys have a complaint of bed bugs?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Sorry. Okay. I'll let her and Tim Murphy talk.
did you have a complaint of bed bugs?
Yes.
Who said yes? I'm asking you guys. Come on, just
Your
tell me.
Honor, I have no knowledge of it. My
I'm
client
talking
is
to
not.
Bridgewood's manager here. I'm asking
I
her.
thought you were talking to them.
No,
Yes.
I'm talking.
They did have bed bugs. I found out because they told the neighbor, had it treated. And she said, well, I haven't been living there fully because of the bed bugs, but we've not received any keys. We've treated the apartment. There is a co-signer also on the account, and I tried calling him too, and no response from him.
Who's him?
I'm sorry.
Who's the co-owner? I mean, the co-lessee.
It is the father. So it would be Stephanie's, I believe, ex-husband.
Tim Murphy.
Tim Murphy, come on here. Jeez. Tim Murphy, you gotta come up here.
He's on Zoom.
I'm on.
You gotta start your video.
Okay, I'm on.
All right, I'm gonna ask you to take your head off and tell me your name.
Timothy Murphy.
When did you leave there?
I never lived there. I was co-signed it because Stephanie's income from Social Security wasn't enough to cover, so I added my name to the co-signing it so they could afford the apartment.
You didn't add him as a party, Mr. Brown.
Your Honor, if I may speak to that, I'm looking at the lease right now. I'm not seeing Tim Murphy as a co-signee. I'm seeing, at least on the lease that is dated beginning October 14th, 2024 to October 31st, 2025. The only signatory on the lease is a Ms. Stephanie Murphy.
All right, okay.
I did sign it though.
Slow down. You did or didn't?
I did. Ginger knows that.
There is a separate form that our guarantors signed. They're not on the original lease. They signed an addendum to the lease that they are co-signing.
All right, so we have a problem here. Doesn't look like you have all your parties in the case. And
Your Honor, I think we can resolve this. If they're indicating that they haven't lived there and the keys are on the counter and they don't intend to retake possession of the premises, then this case can be resolved by my client simply receiving the keys from the defendants. It sounds like they don't intend on living there in the future. And rather than going too far into the weeds with this, if my client can just receive possession of the premises back, I think we can have this case resolved.
Stephanie, you need to listen to me. Okay? They are offering you, and if you don't understand something I'm telling you, I want you to put your hand up and I'll start over. Fair? They are offering to enter into a consent order of dismissal where there will be no judgment entered, and you can turn over the keys by, let's say, tomorrow at 4:30. And if you do, that the case will remain dismissed. Is that agreeable with you?
Yes.
So counsel, will you prepare a consent order of dismissal, no judgment, and say the case is dismissed with prejudice? However, defendant shall turn over the key to the property and vacate no later than September 3 at 4 o'clock.
Your Honor, I have no, I'm sorry.
You will.
I'll wait for the court to be done. I apologize, Your Honor.
That's all right. I'm used to being interrupted. Case will remain dismissed with prejudice so long as defendant turns over the keys. Is that fair, Mr. Burns?
Your Honor, I have no problem with those terms, but I can't dismiss it with prejudice, but I'd be willing to do everything else. I have no problem.
You're not going to turn around and sue him for rent, right?
I can't speak to that, Your Honor. I mean, it's the...
Well, I thought you just said you were going to dismiss it if they turn the keys over. If not, we're going to have the battle now.
And Your Honor, I understand that.
You understand what I'm saying? Because I don't know that they owe you anything if the bed bugs were that bad and they haven't been in there.
But
So why don't you go to a breakout room and talk to the apartment manager? Because it's not fair to them to have them turn the key over and then they have you start a lawsuit against them.
Your Honor, I don't...
If you think I'm wrong, it's okay, but I'm not going to do that otherwise. It's not fair to them.
Let me ask my client this. Ginger, would you be willing to dismiss the case with prejudice?
And an indication that no money judge will be pursued for past due rent, period.
Yes, but I can't make that decision, but I'm going to tell you my corporate office will go after them for rent. The bed bugs were not caused by us.
Oh, then that's fine. We'll just adjourn it a week. You're going to have to get a lawyer, Stephanie. If you're going to fight this on a bed bug issue, you're going to have to get a lawyer. Your daughter cannot represent you.
Okay.
That's what I'll do. I'll adjourn it 1 week and we'll set it for trial. Everybody has to come in. I mean, it makes sense. Did you not ever tell the manager you were leaving?
Me?
No, I'm talking to the party here. Did you ever tell the manager that you were leaving, that there were bed bugs on the property?
Yeah, they,
Hang on, ma'am. Talk to me. I don't want to be interrupted over here. Did you ever tell the manager, either in writing or in a phone call?
Emanation.
Why am I getting interrupted here? I'm not.
I muted him, Judge.
What's that?
I muted him. He's just talking.
Thank you. I want to know if you ever told the manager or wrote the manager and said, we got bed bugs, we're moving out.
Yes, they were aware of it.
You told them, answer my question. Did you? Okay, you got to step back, young lady. I cannot let you do this. Stephanie, stay right here. Just talk to me. I don't bite. I just want to know if you told the manager that you were leaving. and that there was a bed bug issue.
They knew about the bedbugs.
I didn't ask you
They're
that.
right next door to us. And I had told them and showed.
Told, who's them?
The next door neighbors, the people who rent from.
I'm
Our
sorry?
neighbors, our next door neighbors.
You told your next door neighbors?
Well, yeah,
Did you tell the manager?
she is the manager.
Do you live next door to her?
I do not. I found out they had bed bugs because they told their neighbor that they weren't staying in the apartment because they had bed bugs. That is how I found out.
When did you find that out?
Oh, I would have to go back through the emails. I was not under,
When did you find that
hold on, I'd have to go back through my.
out? Take your time. What day, Stephanie, did you move out of there? Do you know?
It was, probably 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
No.
Ma'am, sit in the back now. Next move you say, I'm sending you out of the courtroom. Sit in the back.
She's my daughter and she lives with me.
I know, but I can't allow her to represent you.
Can I say something, Judge?
No, you can't. You're not even a party either. Stephanie, I want you to look at me. If you're feeling pressured, tell me, Judge, I'm feeling pressured, and I'll let you go hire a lawyer and come back next week. Okay?
Okay.
Do you remember when you told, so you're saying you stayed in there until mid-August?
Yes.
When did you have it treated for bed bugs?
Ah,
No, I'm asking you, the manager again. I did not catch your name, so I've got to ask you again. What is your name?
my name?
No, the manager. Are you
I'm
listening?
sorry, I'm looking at her account. My name is Ginger.
Ginger what? Pelk?
Yes,
Pelc?
correct.
All right. When did you have the bed bugs treated, and when were you notified by the neighbors or Ms. Murphy or anybody else on the planet that they'd vacated the property?
Yeah, I was trying to pull up the emails, her account. I can tell you they were charged for the bed bugs on July 1st. I charged them for the treatment
Why'd they get charged?
because they have the bed bugs. Nobody else had the bed bugs.
Okay,
Our normal extermination does not cover bed bugs.
okay, July 1 is when that happened, right?
Yeah, that's when they got charged. They paid July's rent too.
So all we're talking about here is half of August rent or all of August rent, right?
They
Your Honor.
owe- Yes.
Well, man, when were the bed bugs treated?
I'm trying to pull up that right now. Bear with me. I'm sorry.
You lived there after the bed bugs were treated, Stephanie? Stephanie, look at me.
Oh,
Did you treat the bed, did you remain in the property after the bed bugs were treated?
yes.
For how long?
I don't know, maybe a couple of weeks. It wasn't very long. Just-
So I pulled up the addendum to the bed bugs. So they were charged July 1st for the bed bugs, but because they left their cats in there while they were not living there, and they didn't get the clothes properly prepped, we did not end up treating till July 29th because they moved out and left 2 cats in there.
Wait a second. She just got done telling me that they left 2 weeks ago. When do you think they left?
They weren't staying there because of the bed bugs, but there was still clothes in the bedroom, mattresses, couch, kitchen table, and 2 cats. I know the cats they had to remove for us to treat on July 29th. But I have not heard from them.
All right.
They
Stephanie,
told me they were not
I would
staying
like
there
to come
because
up here and I'm gonna ask, Mrs. Murphy, what's your name again? Beth what?
Murphy?
Come on up here. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna ask you questions or two, because I'm gonna let you be kind of a witness here. But if you answer out loud without me directing you again, or without me addressing you again, I'm sending you out the hallway. Do we understand one another?
Yes.
All right. Now, you can tell me when, were you living with your mother
Yes.
until she moved out?
Well, we both moved out.
I understand. Okay. When was that?
Late May, early June.
Hang on. You're saying you left late May, early June.
Well, you guys not living there.
She's saying, Stephanie told me 2 weeks ago, which would make it around August the 17th or 18th. They say you had cats in there after they knew of the bedbug problem in July. Is that true or false?
Cats, yes.
Well, the cats were still there, right?
Cats were still there.
Well, then you didn't move out. You never turned your keys over. You still were occupying the property. I'm just amazed that you guys didn't communicate with the manager. I think a lot of this could have been avoided. You don't just tell your neighbors, I'm moving out, I got bed bugs. And leave cats there and then come back and I'm not keeping you up, am I?
Sir.
Sir, I'm not keeping you up, am I?
No.
Okay. I don't want to keep you up.
No, you're good.
Okay, all right. Mr. Burns, can you not just go in a room and talk to this Stephanie Murphy with her daughter there and see if you can't resolve this?
I'm willing to do that, Your Honor. I do have one other matter I'm trying to wrap up in a different court, so if the court puts us in a breakout room, I'm willing to address these things. I just want to let you
Put
know.
you guys in a breakout room with Mr. Burns. Stephanie really has to do the talking. It looks like you gotta handle this better. You can't just walk out of there, leave cats in there. Technically, you still occupy the property.
Right.
You didn't turn the keys over. Was this still during the lease period, Ms. Pelk?
yes, they're still in a current lease until the end of October.
Did you guys stop and think about that before you started leaving? You're gonna get stuck paying this rent again. You can't just move out. I'm just telling you. Where do you live now, Ms. Murphy? Stephanie, where do you live?
I'm still there.
No,
Let me explain this.
I get Alzheimer's. I understand Alzheimer's. I cannot let you represent her.
I know.
Ms. Murphy, talk to me. You just explained to me that you left 2 weeks ago, right?
No, yes, no. I did not leave 2 weeks ago. I left recently.
What's recent?
Week ago, yeah.
Okay, so you've been in there the whole time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you guys go talk to Mr. Burns. He has another courtroom to go to. My courthouse is gonna take you to a computer and you can Zoom with Mr. Burns. He'll explain it to you and we'll go from there, okay? I'll pass this case. Thank you. Nelson, come on up here, ma'am. Ms. Murphy, come on up. Bridgewood versus Stephanie
Where's
Murphy,
the podium here?
2503298.
Go this way, come on.
All right. Your name?
Stephanie Murphy?
Right there, right there.
Stay at that podium there if you would, okay?
Right over here.
Speak into that microphone. See that microphone?
Yes.
I need you to speak into that, okay? Tell me your name.
Stephanie Murphy.
All right. I need your name again, Mr. Burns, and then Ms. Pelk's appearance again, and we'll go from there.
Thank you, Your Honor. Michael Burns, P87855 on behalf of plaintiff.
Help Bridgewood manager.
All right. Just if I call on you again, you have to speak more directly into the microphone, Ms. Pelk. We're kind of getting some of your words, not others. What are the terms of this conditional dismissal, counsel?
Your Honor, the terms of the conditional dismissal are that the case will be dismissed pending the defendant turning in keys to the unit by tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. My client would be dismissing this case without prejudice. I've informed Ms. Murphy that my client does wish to recover the past due amount because the tenancy had continued. So we would be dismissing the case without prejudice as long as the keys are turned in by 4:30 tomorrow. I would just ask that the court confirm with Ms. Murphy.
Ms. Murphy, I want you to listen.
I am listening.
Okay. They're going to dismiss this case without prejudice, meaning they can bring the case again, as long as you turn in the keys by 4 p.m. tomorrow.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Do you agree to that?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand they're going to turn around and sue you for non-payment of rent, though? They're going to turn around and sue you for non-payment of rent for, I heard that you paid July, so at least for August. And probably September. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you still wish to settle under those terms and conditions?
Yes.
And Ms. Murphy in the back, I just want to make sure, I want to extend this courtesy. Does your mother understand everything I just said with her? You would have talked to her on Zoom with Mr. Burns.
She understands, but she won't remember it tomorrow
Okay,
or next week.
okay. I wish I could have yeah, I get it. I'm sorry, ma'am. Do you understand though?
Yes, I do.
All right. September 3rd, turn that over by 4 p.m. They're going to turn around and sue you. You understand that, right?
Yes.
Do you have any questions for me?
No.
I sincerely wish you well, Miss Murphy. Ma'am, these are not my rules in the back. I have to comply with them though, okay? Good luck to you. Good luck to you both. And good luck to you, Ms. Pelk and Mr. Burns. Is that it for you, Mr. Burns?
Yes, Your Honor, it is, and I appreciate the court's patience and Ms. Murphy's patience, so thank you all.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.